Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to change your bank information on TurboTax. Let's get started. So first things first, you're going to want to, of course, log in to your TurboTax account. You can use your web browser to do this. Sign in using your username and password. Once you've done that, go to your tax return. Once you've clicked on your tax return option, go ahead and click on Take Me to My Return if you have not already. Then go ahead and navigate to the File section of the software. This can be typically found in the Review or File tabs in the navigation bar. And then find the option for Direct Deposit Information. Once you've seen that, go ahead and fill in your current banking information for your refund or direct deposits and whatnot. Simply go ahead and enter your current bank information, go ahead and save it, and it will now be updated. You will need to confirm the changes, of course, and then continue with the rest of your filing process and submit your return if you have not already. Your refund will be sent to the new account you've entered. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.